Hey guys, this is Logo Pro. It is an AI logo editing tool. I have created this tool using this Windsurf, an AI code editor, and this is the best AI code editor I have seen so far. Using this AI code editor, you can use Claude 3.5 Sonnet model and as well as GPT-4o model. And I will guide everything step by step that how you can download this Codium and start writing your prompt to create this beautiful tool. In this Logo Pro, you can see that I can click any icon from the right sidebar and it will be displayed in the main design. And in the left sidebar, there are many tools for changing the icon and the background. Here you can see that I can increase the dimension and it will increase here. I can change the rotation and I can also change the stroke width of that icon, as well as I can also change the color like in the hex format and also the RGB format. And it also has this opacity control tool. By changing this opacity, it also changes here. In the background, you can see that I can change the shape of the background using this slider button and also this button like X large circle, and it looks very nice. And it also has this shadow button, like clicking this 2XL, it will create this shadow here, and also XL will also create shadows less than 2XL. And it also has this gradient tool, like if I want to add linear gradient, then I can change this to linear and also change the position of the linear gradient according to this angle. For example, if I set this start color to this and in color to something like this, then I can easily change the gradient position. And if I don't want the gradient, then I can also switch to the just none and solid background color. Okay, and it looks very nice. Using this Logo Pro, you are also able to generate this icon using this AI. Like if I told this AI to generate this person icon, then it will generate a person icon for me, and I can also change and rotate this icon whatever I want. And this is the main basic features of this Logo Pro, that you are able to create icon using this AI. And another thing is I have also attached these history management tools, like if I use this button, that it will undo the process, and this button will redo the process. And it also works for using Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y. Finally, if you click this button, download PNG, then it will download the logo in PNG format. And all this process is successfully done due to this Windsurf AI Code Editor. I'll give the source code of this project in the description box. In that source code, you will find this beautiful sketch that I have used to create that Logo Pro in the Windsurf, and all this information here. And I am giving all of this free. So what I am asking for you guys to give a subscribe and a like to this video. It will inspire me and motivate me a lot to create a lot of videos like this and share the source code free for everyone. So let's get started. First, I will try to explain all the detailed structure of this project. First, you can see that this is a sample design that I have drawn, and in this design there is a nav bar and two sidebar. One is left sidebar, another is right sidebar. In the right sidebar, I will place all the icons here, and there will be a button called Ask AI, and this button is related to the AI integration process. And also in the left sidebar, there will be two tab button. One is icon and another is background. If I press the icon, it will show all the tools related to this icon, like rotation control, size adjustment, stroke width, fill color, opacity, etc. And similarly, it will also generate background tools. It will also uh, show the background tools when I click to the background button. And here you can see that all these color are related to this color picker. So this color picker is will be also another object, and it has hex or RGB input, visual color spectrum, opacity control, and color presets. And another hand, we have also another tool which is history management, and so that we can redo or undo a process using these buttons, and as well as using keyboard shortcuts like Control S or Control Y in order to redo or undo the process. And also I have defined the main or major components for this Logo Pro, which is there should be a logo design component, also tools for icon, tools for background, and the color picker components, and finally the AI integration model. I will go through all the things step by step using the Windsurf, so that you can understand all the process one by one. First, I will try to download the Windsurf from Codium. So I will type Windsurf Codium, and this is the link. If you press this button, then it will be download for your Windows. And I have already downloaded, and after download you need to install that. And when you install that, it should look like this. Okay, then you need to log in with Codium. But before logging from this AI editor, you need to log in from this website. So I will try to log in, and I have already created a Gmail which is which is called AI logo test 1. Okay, and I can skip all this process. Now when this login is done, then I will try to log in from this Windsurf, and it will redirect to this page. Okay, I think the login is successful. Now you can see that in the Windsurf setting, I can see the plan info, and they have given 50 premium prompt I can use, and 200 premium flow actions. And let us try to complete complete this project within these 50 prompts. Okay, let's open a folder, and I will try to open a folder here. And what I will do is I'll try to install the Nextjs. So the command is yes, this is the command, Nextjs create next app at the latest. So I press enter, then the name of my app will be Logo Pro, and it has TypeScript, yes, and ESLint, yes, use Tailwind CSS, yes, and it should contain src directory, yes, and also press for this, yes, and I don't need a turbo pack, and yes, it should use import alias default, yes. Okay, now it is trying to install this Next.js project. The thing is, I can install this Next.js project using this Windsurf, okay, but I will not do this because sometimes it messed up during installing this Next.js. So it is a very good practice if you do this type of work manually. And I will use Claude 3.5 Sonnet to generate this Logo Pro. All right, the project has been installed successfully. Okay, now I will try to open this Windsurf in this folder. Okay, so I will try to open another window, then open folder, then I will go to that project. This is the Logo Pro. I will try to select that project, and all right, Now it is opened. Now we can start writing our prompt here. Before I start, I need to install ShenUI in this project, and because I need those components. So what I will try to do is go to this link, ShenUI, and get started, and I will try to download all the components. Let's install this ShenUI. Yes, and go for the default or new. I think default is good. Like, and go for the slate. Yes. How do you like to proceed? It looked like break 19. Some packages may fail. I can use force. Okay, and it successfully installed the ShenUI. Now I will try to install button and other things. Okay, and in the component section, I need to install the button, card, and drop down. Let's start with button. Add button. Let's try to install this button first, then we'll install other things later. Now, what I'll try to say is analyze this project. Okay, I have used ShenUI here. If you want to make a component, you can use this ShenUI. Finally, and as it is analyzed the whole project, now I'll try to start my prompt. What I'll try to write is I want to create, okay, let's create a route in a folder, and in the page logo pro, and add right sidebar, left sidebar, and navbar there, and also set all the components to component folder. I think it's in components. Yes, components folder. Make it reusable. Let's just start with basic, and if I go with a hard prompt then or a long prompt, then it will mess up. So let's try let's try with basic structure, then we'll go to the main layout. All right, now let's start the server. I think it has created a logo pro route. Okay, you can see that as it is Nextjs, if I want to route the logo pro, I need to write here /logo pro, then it will go to that page. Okay, it is created to a navbar and to sidebar. Okay, now I will try to make the layout just like this photo. just like this photo. This is the photo. You can see that there is a tab there is a tab bar in the right sidebar, and it contains two button, icon and background. And when I click icon, it will show some tools like I think, yes, it will show some tools like I can copy here like some icon tools and paste it here. Same and then press background. It will show background tools like this. Okay, let's just see what happens. Okay, it tries to run this command. I'll accept it, no problem. ShenUI is not recognized in the external term. And it's creating the tabs and sidebar manually. It's not using the ShenUI. Oh, we can change it later. It's not a big deal. It's installing this radix. Okay. I think I can accept it, and let's see. Yes, it added all the packages. There are some errors. Okay, let's just run the server again and see if there are any errors. Okay, I think there are some errors. Let's fix this. Yes, there is some errors. I think I need to import some assets like this. This is the main component I need to import. Components UI slide bar. Marks error here. All right, and it does make the main tool, but I have make a mistake. I want to show these tools in here. Actually, this is the left and this is the right. So I need to tell the AI that I need to make the change in the left sidebar. What I can do that it created this sidebar here, okay, and I can just change this. I can just copy this and I can just paste here. Just change the left sidebar component to right sidebar. Okay, and I need to save this, and I will try to say the plot that I have made these changes here. Okay, what I will try to do is I'll try to copy this and I made some changes in this file. It will not do anything, but by doing this you can see that now it is in the left sidebar, and this is the main component and this is the navbar, we'll work out this later. Okay, let's see what we can do. And you can see that when I press icon, it shows the icon tools, and when I press background, it shows background tools. And we need to modify this a lot. Okay. All right. What I will try to do is I'll try to add icon in the right sidebar. Add to side icon in the right sidebar. And when I select them, it will show in the main design. Let's see what it does. Okay, and it made some changes. It added this icon selector. It will select the icon, and I think there are some errors. We'll fix it later. And I think errors are only in this file. Yeah, you can see that it shows some error. What I will try to do is I'll try to mark this and tell him that this line shows error. All right, I'll show these lines, and I don't think it is solved here. These lines shows error. Okay, there is a one error in this function. Let's see. If I reload this, I probably paste this. Now you can just copy this and send in there. Let's try to do this. It messed up. Sometimes it messed up. Whatever you prompt you give, it always messed up, but it fixes. What you need to do is try to be patient and just push this AI, this model, to solve this all the time, and at a moment it finally solves all the problem. Okay, created error in this component file. I think it doesn't actually understand what this is, and also the layout file. All right, let's accept all these things and try to mark this error. Only error shows in the right sidebar. Actually, what it says is on the right sidebar, I think there are three props, but it's actually saying that does not exist in the type instruction. Okay, let's fix this. All right, I think probably this time there will be no error. Finally, now it's loaded and there are no errors here. And what I will try to do is try to add icon here, and I'll try to take a screenshot and say that there are no icons in the right sidebar. Here you can see that there are no icons in the right sidebar. Please add some icons, and when I select them, they will show in the main design. All right, and successfully added some icons in this icon selector, but there are some problems, and it might I'll try to remove this. Okay, there are some icons that it doesn't exist currently right now, and let's save it, and it is in this icon selector file. Okay, now I will try to, yes, and I can see some icons, but yes, and this is so good. I can select all these icons and they are shown here. It's very nice. I will try to remove this name, okay, because it's not looking very good. Names that are displayed below the icon only show the icons. Let's see what changes it does. Now I can select those icons. It's very nice. Now it is high time we will connect this icon with these tools. Connect all the tools in the icon tab bar, left sidebar. Main icon that is displayed in the main design. I mean, when I try to change the size, move the size of the icon, then it will increase the size of the icon. There will be also, and also similarly add the rotation tools will also rotate the icon, and stroke width will also increase the increase the stroke of the icon, and fill color will change the color of the icon. And opacity will change the opacity. Let's see. It's a big prompt, and I think it will messed up, but when it messed up, don't freak out. Okay, just continue focus on your prompt and try to push the AI to solve carefully. Okay, and actually it solves, but it takes time. Okay, what I'm saying is they failed to import this, like UI input. I think I need to import this input from ShenUI. So what I will try to do is I'll try to stop the server and install input from ShenUI, and I can go to this ShenUI link and under this component I will try to find input, and here is the input. And what is the code? Code is npx session at the rate. Just copy and paste it. Yes, I think it's port address. Yes. Now I'll try to reload this. Oh, I had to start the server again. There's a problem. It's not showing. Oh, okay. This icon is shown when I will try to click another thing. Okay, and let's see it's work or not. Oh, rotation is working. Very nice. And size is also working, and rotation is also working, but the stroke width increases, takes time. Wow, and it's working all the things, everything I told him, it is working. Okay, now I will try to make this tool look more like more good. Okay, or I can do this later. Okay, let's try. So far it has done a lot of good thing. Okay, we finally made it at least this stage. Okay, this is the most crucial stage, because sometimes it doesn't understand how to make the layout. Okay, and how to which layout contains which types of components. So what I'm thinking is, so far this is a great success. We did it only using this AI. Okay, it's very nice. All right, and I can also change the opacity and also the background. Okay, we'll do it. We'll deal it later. Okay, let's try to write something like that. When I reload the page, shows when I reload the page, please show icon initially, and then main design. Make the Now I'll try to write that. Please make the tools of icon looks more professional, and tools of icon looks more professional and more beautiful. All right, and let's see which. Oh my god, it's looking very good. I think it's nice. It's not looking very bad at all. It's changing, but what I'll try to do this. Just I want to display one value. Okay, I don't want to display a lot of value here. Okay, so I'll try to say that display one value, not two value in each components in the tools under icon. And also make the UI of, okay, I will what I will try to do is I'll try to change the UI color picker, like this. Like it should have hex, RGB input, visual, color spectrum, opacity control, color presets. There are some errors here. Okay, and it it created some error. Okay, this is the hex color, RGB color. Okay, it's look nice, no problem. You can change the color. And but actually I don't want like this. Okay, I want to like this color picker like this. Let me show you color picker, this type of color picker. Okay, I will try to copy this photo, add this type of color picker. This type of color picker with hex and RGB color mode. Let's see what it does. Color out. Oh, okay, it's installing the color or color D. But I like this format because it is very much easier than that. Okay. All right, and completed the things. Let's refresh this. No, why it clicked out? I think it's showing some error. Okay, let's just stop the server and run the server again. Let's see what happens. It is showing an error. Let's solve this error. Okay, and I think it finally does the work. Let's see. Yes, and finally, oh my God, I cannot scroll the left sidebar. I need to fix this, but it actually solved the problem, you know. Now I can select the color very easily and change the stroke weight, change the rotation, and also increase the dimension. Okay, yeah, now it's looking very much good and very nice. It's looking very awesome. Okay, add. Okay, the left. I cannot scroll the right sidebar. Solve it. Oh, I cannot left. Sorry, my bad. I cannot. I cannot left sidebar. Okay. Let's see. Oh my God, it's not like this. It's messed up badly. Okay, so what I will do, if it messed up, then what you need to do, just try to revert the process. Here you can see that revert this step. Okay, then yes, I am fine. I can revert this step. Then now you can refresh, then you'll see there is no problem here. Okay, what I will try to do is okay, I'll try to take a screenshot here and paste it here. I can scroll to the right side bar, but I cannot scroll down to left side bar. Okay, what I did, I tried to add this photo because it was it was messed up. When I tried to add this comment, try to add this text that I cannot scroll to the right sidebar, it messed up, and then I tried to revert the process. So that's why I finally just take a screenshot, and then I've taken the screenshot and send it here and try to say that I'm able to scroll the right sidebar, but I cannot scroll to the left sidebar. Okay, now it fixed it. It finally fixed this problem, and you can change the color in RGB mode and the hex mode. Wow, it's looking very cool. Very nice, very nice. Okay, Let's try to fix this background. Let's type here that now similarly add tools under background tabs. These tools are what I'll try to show is these are the background tools. Let's see what it does. Okay, and I think there are some errors here. What is the error? Oh, I need to import select from the ShenUI because it can't find this select component. Okay, everything I install from the ShenUI, it will stored here. It will stored under this component and under this UI. Okay, so first I will try to go to this ShenUI and try to find the select. Here is the select, and this is the code. I'll try to copy and paste it here. It finds some dependency in React 19, so it tried to use this force to install this. Now you can see that this select folder is alive, and if I go to this background context, then there are no errors. Okay, this error has been gone. Now I'll try to run the server again, npm run dev, and I'll try to reload this page now. Okay, so this is the background, but the color, this these are not working. I'll try to solve this later, no problem. But these are the shadow color. Okay, okay, no problem. I'll try to solve this. At least it finally install all these tools that are very needed to change the background. Okay, all right, what I'll try to say that when I try to change any value in the tools under the background tab, then its effect is not showing in the main design. It's not showing in the main design. Let's see what it does. All right, it added some changes. Let's see what actually. I think the background color is this is the shadow color. Okay, this is the shadow color. I don't want to work this shadow color right now. The opacity and the blur is not changing. I do not need this tool very much right now. What I need is changing the gradient color. Okay, start color, and this is the end color. And if I change the opacity, okay, some buttons are not working. Background color. All right, what I'll try to do, I'll try to minimize all these tools. Okay, I don't need all of these tools because it will miss. You can add this. You can add all these tools if you want, but in my case, sometimes it messed up badly. Okay, try to make a basic structure first, then you will try to add more tools, more features in it. But if you fail to create a basic structure, then you don't need all of these tools. Okay, so what I will try to do is remove the shadow and the padding. With the padding tools here, and only add shadow here, and in the shadow tools, add some buttons like SM, MD, LG, XL, VXL, which will increase the shadow of the background. We don't need a lot of shadows. Only add these things. Hmm. All right, let's see. Yes, now it's looking very good. And if I change SM, MD, and LG, XL to XL, you can see the shadow. In the 2XL, the shadow is very much deeper than the XL. Now it is looking very nice and fine. Okay, but I want to add a pointer button here. Like when I click this, then the shape will turn into fully round. Okay, let's try to do this. In the shape rounding, add a something like add like what can I say? It's like a something like when I click there, then it will make the whole background round. The circle, I mean fully round. Let's see what it does. Oh my god, it's not. No, I don't like this thing. I need to revert this because it's not the desired thing I want. What I will try to say that in the shape rounding, increase the rounding value, increase the rounding value so that I can if I increase the value full, then it will make the background fully rounded or circle. We are almost running out of our credits, but don't worry, I have a very special tricks for you. The challenge is I will try to build this tool totally free. I will not spend any money to buy credits or plan to build this tool. I will try to make this tool without spending any money. Okay. Okay, let's see. I think it's doing nice. Wow, now it's looking so good. Yeah, it has acceler, circle, square. It's very nice. Okay, this is an icon. This is the icon. Like this is the shadow icon, and this is the shape rounding icon. But I thought it was a clickable button or something. Okay, now what I'll try to change? I'll try to change the gradient. I think it's if I press linear, what it does? Oh, okay, the gradient is working. Very nice. It's like this is the linear. I can change the angle. Okay, and this is the start color. Like if I change the angle to 0, then started from here. And the start color is let me guess. If I do the start color green or blue, okay, like if I press the blue or green, then this is the start color, and this is the end color. Like I can change the end color to red, and I can change the angle. Okay, and if the radial process, okay, in the radial it's the color is coming from the center. Okay, and it's working very nice, but I need to change this because it's not, I don't need this. And I can change from the RGB, like if I place 10, oh my god, it's working fine. RGB or hex, like if I do this like 8, I don't think it work on me. Yes, it's working. Okay, so what I'll try to do this, I'll try to say that change, remove this opacity, remove the opacity from the gradient, and also this is the background color. I don't, oh, this is solid. Like if I don't use gradient, like none, then this background color will work. Okay, it is nice. All right, what I'll try to say that remove opacity tool from the gradient, and as well as the background color. Okay, let's wait and see. All right, and this opacity is already showing, so I need to change this. I'll try to say that this line shows error. And please fix it very carefully so that it does not change the main code function. And also the UI of opacity showing here is still showing. All right, I think now it's working, I guess. Oh my god. Okay, thing is, it's in the gradient mode, right? And I can change the thing, and also change the linear and also the radial and whatever I want. This is very nice. I can do from the left or right, anything I want. This is so good. And if I do not want the gradient, then I can change the color in just background color. Okay, and it works for RGB and other things. But there's a problem that there is a error showing here. I need to solve this. Okay, opacity change. I think these are gone. Opacity change and on opacity change, because I'm not using this opacity. So I'll just try to do this manually. All right. Okay, and let's do this. Let's see. I have only 7 prompt left, and within this prompt, I finally added all these tools, and I can change the rotation, change the stroke, change the color, and so on. It's very nice that I've done a lot of things using this AI. I can change the shape, Okay, and also doing it manually here. Also the shadow, the gradient, and the position of the gradient looks awesome. Very nice. And if I select the icon, then it shows, yeah. All right, but I'll try to do another thing is I'll try, I want to set this icon in the middle and try to change the background like a graph type background. Okay, I think that will look very nice. Okay, let's do this. The main design is not in the middle, so try to place it in the middle, and also uh, change the background of the main design to a graph type. Let's see how much it can do. Yes, that is the thing I want. Now it's looking professional. Okay, now it is looking very much professional. And I can select all these icons. This is great. This is very great. Nice work. I can also change the opacity, right? Okay, and now I need to implement two more things. If I go to this main design, you can see that I need to do not two, three things. One thing is history management, like I can redo or undo process. Another thing is I need to download, and finally I will integrate with AI. Like I will try to ask the AI to generate an icon, then it will generate an icon. Then when I will select them, it will show here. So I need to do these two major things, but before doing this history management, I'll do it later, no problem. It's not very hard, but I need to implement this download process. This is very important because when you do this, you might face some errors and many bugs, and you need to revert the process all the time. And finally, this AI will make these tools correctly. Okay, let's try to build this download button and this process. Okay, I'll try to copy this. Add a download button in the right corner side of the navbar, and when I click that, it will show two options, like I want to, it will show drop down. Download it with like I want to download it with PNG format or SVG format. Let's see how it works with that. All right, and the thing is I need to install this drop down menu from the ShenUI, and I will do and I rejected the terminal command, okay, because I want to do this terminal command manually. Uh, if I do this using this Claude 3.5, then it will mess up. What I'll try to do, go to this ShenUI and try to find this drop down menu. Here is the drop down menu, and I'll try to copy it and stop the server and paste it. Oh, another thing is I need to install this HTML to canvas. So what I'll try to do is write npm I, then copy this and paste here. Yes, I think it's gone. And now let's try to delete this and npm run day, run the server again, reload it. Okay, let's just try to change the color or something like gradient. I don't know, like this, or give the icon color, increase the dimension a little bit, stroke, changing the stroke, or you can do like this. Okay, and in the background you can change the shape, linear, like okay. Let's try to download it. Okay, yes, download as PNG, and let's see. Yes, finally we have successfully downloaded this in the PNG format. Okay, and just like looking like this, I think PNG is good. Okay, and I don't need the SVG because most of the icons is we need is in the PNG format. So I'll not try to use SVG, because if I use this SVG, then it will try to consume more tokens, and it might messed up. So I'll try to remove this SVG file. All right, let's try to okay, let's try to check if the download process is working or not. And what I will try to do is try to increase the dimension, or like add this and change the background color and extra large, or increase these things, excel and linear. What type of color I can do? Let's try green. Let's try to download PNG. Let's see what it does. Yes, now it is successfully download our PNG file, and now it's working. Okay, we have done a lot of works here, and what you can see that I finally created this so far, and only 3 prompts left. And don't worry, if you are out of prompts, then I will show you how you can generate these prompts free by creating another Gmail account. Okay, what I do all the time. Because if you create a Gmail account another and try to log in with Codium, then it will again give you another 50 prompts. And I think it is good, because within this 50 prompt you are able to generate this whole SaaS product, and it is really an amazing product. Like, you are creating a logo designer, okay, and creating these tools to design this logo or icon. So I think it's a great success, just using this Windsurf and Claude 3.5 and having little less knowledge about coding, you can generate this massive tool. Okay, so what is our next approach? The next approach is, you can see that the thing is, the next approach is you need to integrate this AI. You need to integrate this AI model, and also this history management. Okay, let's try to apply this. Okay, and now please do this very careful, because if it change the whole structure, then it might failed. So please be careful now typing this text. Create tool button icon to okay. Create two icon button that defines undo and redo the process and then make it functionable. Please do it very carefully so that your changes does not impact does not impact the whole main functionality of this project. Of this app. There are some errors here, like history control. You can see that there is some error, like we need to add this tooltip using ShenUI. So I will do it. Just go to the drop down menu and where is this tooltip? Yes, there it is. Just copy it and paste here. And in the sidebar, you can see that there are errors here. Like what is the error? I don't know. Let's try to define that. It shows an error here. See null. Oh, okay. I understand. The type string and null is not assigneable to type string or undefined. Okay. You can see this is type string. You can add a null there. I think this will impact the changes. And the history control, I think it installed. Oh, my bad. Yes, and now it's fixed. Let's try to reload. Oh, I need to run the server again. There's an error and I need to take a screenshot and paste it. Okay, if I do this, I change the dimension. I think there are some errors, like where is the button? Yes, it's working, but there are some errors. Like I need to copy this and paste the error here, and I'll try to steal them. The main design and add color. Okay, and this error is shown. Okay, let's see if it works or not. Like no, it's having a same error. Let's see, like if we change the weight, yes, it's having error. What I will try to do this, when I change a value of icon. Let me see if this error is shown in when I change a value in background. Like yes, change a value of any tools in icon and background. Then this error is shown. Okay, I think I have completed my all the prompts here. Now I'll try to show you how I can get more token and try to continue my project. Okay, what okay, yeah, you can see that I have run out of my credit, so I'll try to log in another account. And what I'll try to do is try to go to Codium and sign out the previous account and log in with another account. And this is the new Gmail I have created, and I will try to log in with this Gmail. Skip all this process. Now what I'll try to do is I will log out this session. Okay, sign out. Now log in. Oh, the thing is my default browser is this, so I'll try to cancel it because I'll try to change my default browser. Let's try to set this as a default browser. Okay, let's try to log in again. Now it will go to the Mozilla Firefox and it will log in again. Okay. Okay. But the thing is, when you run out of credit and try to, now you can see that I have got 50 token, 50 credits again. And when you are run out of credit and you have logged in another account, then what you'll do first, you'll try to say him that analyze the whole project, because it doesn't know what we have been gone so far here. So we need to tell him analyze the whole project. Okay. It's trying to analyze all the basic things. Okay, what I'll try to say that analyze I guess all the components. Analyze files on the components folder. Also analyze all the files in the logo pro in app folder. Let's run the server. And now I try to copy. Oh, I have this screenshot, no problem. When I try to increase any value of many tools. In the icon tabs and background tabs, it works perfectly. But the problem is everything is working perfectly, but the problem is when it tries to what I can say, it's history control. Try to access history control, then it fails. Then it shows this error. So please be careful. Making changes and correcting this error. So be careful making changes and correcting this error, so that my suggestion is when you try to log in with another email, first you need to analyze, you need to say him that analyze the whole project, and later you need to told this line frequently, because sometimes it messed up, it doesn't know what the main functionalities are, or sometimes it messed up. So it is very useful that you always told him that please be careful making changes and correcting this error, so that your changes does not affect the main functionality. Here is the photo of the error. I will copy this, paste here and enter. Okay, let's try to reload this process. Let's see all the tools are working or not. Yes, everything is working fine, and the color, everything very nice. And if I change the color, this is the problem. Okay, let's see another thing. Like I added this rotate, but if I undo or redo, then it's not working. Okay, so what I try to say this, showing when I try to change a value in the tools under in any tools in the background. Let him try to fix the error. Then I will try to ask him to create this history management perfectly. Okay. Okay, let's see. Nothing is no problem is working. See the background. Yes, now just try to gradient and try to change the color. Yes, now the problem is gone, but we'll try to add this. Now the error is gone, but I want to undo, and redo button to work perfectly. Okay, I think there's some errors here, like icon context background. So I'll try to show them that these are the error. Like if I first accept it, then I'll try to marks error here. Error here. Please fix it very carefully so that the changes does not change the main functionality. UI design of this project. Okay, let's accept all these things and let's try to do this. Now try to, yes, now it's working and it is working fine. Now it's really working fine. Finally, we have successfully applied this undo and redo process, but I want to do another thing. Like I'll try to say him that if I press Ctrl Z or Ctrl Y uh, in the keyboard manually, then it will do the same thing. Fine, but can you add this system like Ctrl plus Z well, it's like Ctrl plus Z to undo, and Ctrl plus Y to redo process. I mean the keyboard process. I mean the keyboard shortcut to work like this. Let's see what it does. Okay, let's check it out. Like if I change the rotation, yes, now I'm pressing the Ctrl Z and it's working. If I pressing the Ctrl Y, now it's also working too. Nice. And let's try in linear. Let's try to increase the dimension. Yes, and try to change the rotation and try to change the stroke width. And let's try to Ctrl Z. Yes, Ctrl Z is working. Ctrl Y is also working. Yes. If I press the Ctrl Z a long time, then it changes all the things. Nice. And if I press the Ctrl Y, then it will try to go to the previous process. All right. And you can see that I cannot press the Ctrl Y again because it has reached its limit. Okay. And if I press the download PNG, then I can see the PNG file. Nice, nice, very good. All right, so far we have done a lot of things. We have added a lot of features in this tool. Okay, we have successfully applied these icons and all these tools in changing the icon dimension, rotation, stroke, color, and the background. Okay, and what I'll do right now is I'll try to integrate it with AI. You can see that this is the button, and when I ask the AI, then it will generate the icons, and when I click the icon, then it will be shown in this logo canvas. Okay, let's do this. Fine, everything is working nice. Now add a button called Ask AI. When I press it, it will open a model, and in the model I will input text that what kind of icon I want. Then it will trigger AI to generate that icon, and those icon. Uh, Let us increase 3 icon first from the first input. Then later we can generate 6 or 7 icons because it will consume a lot of tokens. Okay. So what I will try to say that it will trigger OpenAI to generate 3 icons. That 3 icons to my prompt, and those icons. Okay, let's try this like just same type as the icons I have first showing in the right sidebar. Please be careful. I think it is creating an API folder and a route. Oh, I'll try to I forgot to give him another instruction that I will try to create an env file by myself, and then I will try to put the OpenAI key there. Okay, it created route, AI icon model, and dialog TSX. I'm editing the icon selector. What can I say that this is the OpenAI key page. Yes, it's said that I need to install npm install because it edited the package.json file already. Then I need to do this thing like creating an env file, create a .env local file, then press it there. Okay, let's try to what is the error it's showing here. Okay, yeah, icon model, it failed to import it. No problem. Let's do this. npm and in the meantime I will try to create a new folder .env, and I don't need to create env.local, just create env file. Then I'll try to press OpenAPI key here. Okay, so I'll try to copy and paste my OpenAPI key here. Okay, all right, I have edited my OpenAPI key here. Now there are some errors here, like these things, icon create item from icon selector. That is what it is used here. Icon create. All right. Shows error here. It shows an error here. In the meantime, I will try to run the server. All right, let's see. Okay, I think main functionality is working. Like, oh my god, it messed up. I think messed up. Like, it's showing these things. Okay, let's just try to say that sidebar do not show the uh, icon name below the icon, and display the icon in the whole bar, and I can scroll down. Yes, display the icon in the whole bar or sidebar instead of showing in a container. Instead from in a container, fixed dimension. Oh, I forgot to apply this thing. Okay, let's see if it can fix it or not. Yes, now it's fixed. Yes, that is nice. I can give the dimension and change the stroke width as well, change the color, and also add some gradient. Yes, it's looking nice, and the gradient position. Yes, it's working. Very nice. Thank you. Let's see if this Axia works or not. Nice. And let's say that eye icon, or what can I say? Eye icon. Okay. Just thinking. Fail to get icon session. Please try again. Okay, what went wrong? Okay, these are the your. No, okay. There is an error. Closing the server console, because this is the server side. Okay, and let's fix it. It shows when I search for eye icon in the model. Oh, my bad. I didn't copy these things. Okay, let's reject these things. Let's reject all this process. Just copy and paste this. Okay, let's ask another thing, like my icon. Let's see what it does. Yes, finally. And if I press this, shows here. Okay, let's ask another thing, like what can I say? Bot icon, robot icon, robot icon. Oh, my bad. I need to. Oh, okay, all right. It's already thinking. Robot icon. It didn't work. Bot icon. I think it guesses the bot like this. Okay. And I think this icon is coming from here or not. I don't know. Okay, let's just refresh it. Yes. Okay, what it is doing is it is searching icon from here, but I don't need from here. I need to generate it manually. Like if I say cycle icon, it fails. Okay, when I search, when I ask for, then it fails icon. Then it failed to get that icon. When I ask for cycle icon, then it failed to get that icon. Failed to get that icon from the AI. I think it is. We solve this. Let's see what it does. This line shows error. I need to mention it. Well, I think the error is showing is like it can be null, so I will try to place it like this. And I don't know. Let's try. Okay. Eye icon. Yes. I think it's going very nice. Like if I select this, then it is going. It's doing good, right? Yeah. But I don't know what is the problem of this. It shows when it is error. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, finally it solves all the problem. Now if I press anything like eye icon, yes, now it's doing the eye icon. Then if I select them, then I can see it's in the main design. Then I can change the main dimension, stroke, and everything. And also I can change the background color, like linear or gradient. You can change it from this color or this and to this. Yes, now it's looking very good. And you can increase the size, the color. Okay, stroke width, rotation. Yeah. All right. Finally, I have completed the main tool here, and it's the AI is also working here. And I can select those icons, like I can add this icon, and it will be working very nice. Okay, and if you want to add more uh, tools here, like text or shadow or any other things, then you can just ask the AI, and please keep patient, because sometimes it messed up, no problem, but you need to give him the accurate prompt. Okay, then it will generate those tools for you. Okay, you can see that I have done this logo prop in this stage so far, and I need to delete this documentation, and then I need to align this logo pro in this position. here. Okay, let's do this. And what I want to do is let's just close all the tabs, and then I need to find the navbar, and I need to go to the src, then in the app, and I think it's in the component. Yes, in the component and then layout, and then we can find the navbar. And what I need to do is I need to delete this link. This is the documentation. Then I can just delete it and then save it, and now it's gone. And now what I can do is try to uh, set this, like it's in the it's having margin at right in 6, but I need to use it P, like it should have padding. I think it might work. No, it's not working. What I can do, I can use my this uh, code this AI here. So I'll try to mark this, right, and I can mark this here, and let's say that move the icon name, logo pro a little bit left side. I think I should use this in AI. Yes, now it's working. So I don't need to use this command. I can use just give, because this is the right, this is the left side. This is the left side and this is the right side. So I need to give margin to the left. That's why I have given it. Okay, then save it. Now it's looking good and it's working very fine. All the tools are working nice. Now what I will try to do is try to push the whole project to my GitHub account by creating a new GitHub repository. Okay, let's do this. First I will go to my GitHub account, and then I will try to create a new repository and name the repository Logo Pro. The description is it is an AI logo editor tool, and I want to make this repository public, and I will give give the link of this repository in the description box. Okay, let's create this repository. Now I need to put all this command in the terminal. Let's start with git init. Okay, let's just close the server, and then I will write git init. Okay, it initialized. Then I'll try to add all the file, git add, then space, then dot, then I will try to commit. Okay, git commit -m, first commit. Now here I can write that completed the whole tool. Whole project. Now I will push this project to the master branch. So I will rename it git branch -m master. Now I will try to connect this repository in remote. So I will try to copy and paste it here, and then finally I will try to push this whole project to the master branch. Finally it's done, and if I refresh this, yes, everything is in this repository. Nice. And remember, when you when you try to download this repository, after download this repository, you need to give this command first, which is npm install and then npm run dev. So what I will try to do, I will try to modify this command, like first you need to run npm I, first run npm I, and what I can do, I can just write it down here, npm I or install. And so first, if you're in the Windows, then you need to do npm I, and then it will download all the packages for you, and then npm run dev. Okay, and when you when you run the server, remember that the route is in this location, like localhost 300/logopro. Okay, if you write this logopro route, then it will go to this page. Okay, another thing is, what I will try to do is, I will try to give you this sketch in this repository so that you can find all the details here, and also this sketch drawing. First I will try to save this, like save to the local disk, and it will be in this logopro, and the name will be logopro sketch. Now it is saved, and then if you want, you can see that this is the sketch. Okay, and you don't want to view, you're unable to view this, because in order to view an xkeli draw file, you need to go to their website. So what you can do is, you can go to this https xkelidraw.com, and then you will try to open a folder like load from file, and then you can go here and just open that folder, which is, what is ADS, logopro sketch, and then you can see this design. Okay, everything is written here in detail, and you can try to change the color like this. Okay, just go to this xkeli and then just open the folder using this option, load from file. Okay, all right, now I'll try to push all these changes here. And okay, let's try to go to the terminal and try to push all these changes. But what I will do is, I will try to push all these changes from here. Okay, from this source control UI, and try to write that edit logopro sketch and note in which we can instruction, commit, and sync the changes. Okay, and if I go to my repository again, then I should be seeing this xkeli draw file and these changes here. Okay, fine. This is all from today, and if you like the video and if you enjoy the whole tutorial, please give a like and subscribe my channel, and it will inspire me a lot to make more videos just like this. Okay, bye bye.